I'm with the trappers and scammers like for real. Oh, that cap in your rap, you ain't fool me. Foot ain't next, ain't no letting up. At 12 grab me, I ain't saying nothing but my name and I said enough. Some niggas ain't the same. 12 grab them and I set niggas up. One in the head.
Alright, what's up YouTube? So I did a little project last night. I installed RGB Demonize in my car. I'm buttoning up everything right now. I'll show you more in depth of what I did when I go to get a wire connector so I can actually plug them up and see how they work. So I'm not gonna put my bumper back on. What I am gonna do is tie my license plate to the radiator bracket so I could go to AutoZone and then pick up a wire connector so I can plug it up, because the controller is right here. It comes with a ground and power wires. I might have to splice it. I might plug both of them up to the battery. I'll see, or I just might crump them together and put it on the battery just to see how it goes. But I'm gonna leave a link in the bottom so you can see which one that I got. They're the RGB LED strips. They're not the LED boards. It's basically the same thing. But these, you have to take apart your lenses and put the strips behind the lens, seat them in the lens. I'll post a picture to show you what it looks like. And yeah, so we're gonna go and do that. So now I'm back, so I could tell you how I did these. These are how they look. So what you have to do is, of course, you'd have to take off the bumper and all the screws, take out the headlights, of course. What everybody does is they'll take out the headlights, put them in the oven, bake them for about like 5 to 10 minutes, so that the headlight glue can get soggy enough so they can scrape it off and take apart the lens. But with what I like about these, that I have the RGB LED strips. That's what I have, the RGB LED strips. So it goes around the headlight lens itself, and well, the projector lens. Sorry, not headlight lens. Projector lens, and it sits inside, and it'll illuminate, so it won't block the regular headlight bulb from, not illuminating. So what you do, take it out, and there's gonna be a couple of screws that you have to take out to take out the projector lens. You're gonna have to take out the igniter on the back of the bulb. You're gonna have to undo some of the wiring that's connected to the igniter. Then after you finish, you'll basically just have the back of the headlight and the projector itself. In between what I just said, I'll show you where the screws are and how many screws there are, and exactly what I'm talking about, how I sat mine inside. And I'll also leave a description, a link in the description of where you can get the RGB LED strips. They actually come, I have them preset for blue because I like it. It's dim right now. It could go a lot brighter than this, which I like. So right now, this is my preset, and I'm gonna change the color so you guys can see, or I'm gonna put it in one of the modes that you guys can see. So this is one of the modes. This is the rainbow mode. I have the speed up, so that's why it's moving so fast. You can set the speed. When you do get the strips, It will come with a QR code that you have to scan with your phone to have the LED, the app, so you can control it from your phone. So it is Bluetooth. I will also show you where I mounted my controller. The controller is pretty long. You can put it at the top of the collar, underneath the collar, where your windshield, your wiper blade motor is. You can set it back there. Make sure to heat wrap the wires so that it doesn't get too hot and cause a fire underneath your hood. But yeah, this is what they look like. Little mod. This is probably my favorite mod that I did on a car, besides my sequential turn signals. See, sequential turn signals. So this is my favorite mod. I could pull up to a car show, car meet, and have these on instead of having my regular headlights on, looking tacky. But I like these. I like them a lot. I'll recommend this for somebody that's looking for something easy to install in their car.